Follow your dreams. A dream is a cherished aspiration, ambition, or ideal. Growing up, we've all had a dream at some point, whether it was when we were a child or now as an adult. Here's an inspirational quote on why you should follow your dream, and it says, "If you don't build your dream, someone will hire you to help build theirs." Some reasons why you should follow your dreams are it'll make you happy. Doing what you love will make you happy in many ways, and that is such an important thing in life. Your family will be proud of you, but most importantly, you will be proud of you. Imagine meeting your dream goal. That will just make everyone around you proud, and you will feel so proud and accomplished. No one else is going to follow them for you. No one else will build your dream for you. You have to go out and do that yourself. You should always love the job that you are doing. I mean, you do have to do it the majority of your life. What you choose to do in life is something you have to love. If not, you aren't going to be happy. And most importantly, you can be an inspiration to others. Once you have followed your dream, you can inspire others to follow theirs. I want to start out by telling you what my dream is. When I was younger, I went to work with my mom all the time. She was an occupational therapist. I mainly went to the nursing home, sometimes the hospital. But as I was there, I just watched her patients be taken care of by these amazing nurses, and that was just such an inspiration to me. They were so kind and caring and helpful to others in need, going through a rough time. And since then, I've always wanted to do that. But as just growing up, I've realized that I wanted to do traveling. I would love to be a travel nurse. I just want to see the world, experience different type of patients, just different sceneries, everything. I have just put so much work into researching how to do this. And that's what I think that everyone should do when they have a dream. They need to research, just do everything that they can to make sure that they make that dream come true. And that is what I am in the process of trying to do right now.